Hello everyone, welcome to the Tarot World, and today we are making a video on how will your month of April be. Okay, it's not based on zodiac sign. You can choose from either of the two pens. This is a golden pen and this is a pink pen. So whichever color you are attracted to, you can choose and move ahead to your timestamp for the chosen pen. Okay, so whoever chose this golden pen, here is your reading for the month of April. Okay, and I'm extremely sorry for the background noise. If you are like, please ignore it because I didn't have any other option. I had to film the video, and yeah. So what's up for the month of April, dear universe? What's up for the month of April? Okay, I'm getting, I'll take this 6 of Wands, the World. Okay, so first of all, I'm seeing like for the people, for those who in love life or in any other area of your life who are seeking clarity will get that. Okay, mental clarity is something that is really coming for you, and standing victorious. You got the victory card, which is very good start for like the reading. Okay, I got another card. Okay, 6 of Swords. I feel like you people are moving ahead of some toxic situations in your life, away from something that has bothered yourself for a very long time, and it's like you're completing the cycle. Maybe you'll travel to relax yourself for some time. It may be a short trip, but yes, for many I'm seeing that you people will be getting mental clarity. If you have exams, you'll clear that, you'll perform good in those exams, and you are moving past your past situations. But why I'm getting this sneaky energy here? I'm getting very I feel like yes, I'm getting it. Why you are you are moving ahead of your past situation, and it's like maybe you were blamed for something. Maybe you were under a lot of fear that what future beholds regarding this one particular thing. Maybe you were in a lot of fear. Maybe you were facing control issues. But I am saying, look at this moon here. It is throwing light on this person, like somewhat like the sun, although it is the moon. But I'm really saying that. So I feel like you people will find light in your older situations, try being more grateful. And with the Empress card here, moon is again highlighted here. Your deep rooted fears are finding its way out of your life, and I'm seeing a lot of abundance coming in for you. Okay, a lot of abundance. So what else we have for the golden pen pile? What's upcoming for you? For the people who are very spiritual here, for the spiritual people, I am feeling that you are finally coming under that energy, that you are willing to surrender all your worries to the universe and fly high above. Fly to the position where you have been waiting to get there. Look at these cards. It's the victory card. First of all, when you surrender, you stand victorious for sure, and it's like a cycle that you have completed. I hope I am clear here. Okay, you are getting beautiful cards. very positive reading it is. So let me pull some universe messages. I'll pull one more card here. Oh, I was talking about it and you got the Sun card. So yes, I feel like you're moving towards true abundance, and you're finding your freedom. You were stuck and now you're finding your freedom. It's beautiful. So let me pull some messages from universe for you. What the universe wants to tell you. Even these are some messages from universe only. Okay, this affirmation is, I am the loving energy of the universe. So you have to believe that you are a loving person. You have to operate out of love, not for others only, for yourself also, because you have to love yourself through all the times. Okay, the universe has my back. Of course, the universe is always there for you. It has always loved you, and it's like a mother. Rather, she's like a mother, the Empress. This is the energy of universe, a very nurturing source. And once you surrender, right, your worries vanish. They vanish. Look, the more energy and intention I bring to my faith, the more fearless and free I am. So this is what I was telling, and the card also is suggesting the same thing. I hope you enjoyed your reading. I am keeping it very short. I hope you enjoyed your reading. Do like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed. And if you have any suggestions, you have all my ears for the suggestions, feedbacks, criticisms. Go ahead with it. Thank you. Pile 1. So whoever chose this pink pen, or pile 2, let's go ahead with your reading for the month of April. So what's upcoming for you? First of all, I'm sensing a very high energy from this pile. Check if you need to ground yourself. Okay. Six of Cups. I was telling this, I am sensing very high energy. So yeah, I feel like you people are feeling very nostalgic and attached to your past. Yeah, you may be doing a very overthinking of the past, and you need rest. Take some time off, give some time to yourself to let all sink in. Sometimes we need to just stand or sit by ourselves and look at the bigger picture, and look at our lives or from a third person perspective, from a different perspective. I was telling that yes, this is you looking at your life. You are waiting for something to begin. I feel like this pile, very stagnant energy, and you people are feeling very bored and lonely in this life. Even from this card, I am getting that feeling. Maybe you may also have a dog, or maybe you have pet some birds. Okay. So yes. So what is for the month of April? You are running away from your fear. Please face your fears. Okay. First suggestion for pile 2 is, please face your fears. And it is very good to face your fears. It is very empowering. Yes, you may cry for 2-3, depending upon how much releasing you're doing. You may cry and you may feel bad for some time, but eventually you feel very empowered over your emotions, and balance is something you always need. Look, I was feeling this. You are disappointed over something. Maybe someone betrayed you, maybe someone left you in cold, maybe you're worried about your finances. But what you're not seeing is the key is in front of you, sweetheart, or dear, or if you have for the males out there. Okay, the key is in front of you. If you stop crying and if you balance yourself out and look with an open mind around you, you'll find the key to your door and you can open your door. And we all have our keys with ourselves. Maybe you're waiting for some proposal and you are going through a big transformation of your life. This is a major arcana card, and you may be going through awakening, which is why I'm feeling a lot of heavy energy here. Maybe you need to do some shadow work. Maybe you need to just look back at just analyze your life, be an observer, and always engage yourself in meditation. Okay, I'm not sure how visible these cards are, but yes, I'm just speaking out whatever I'm feeling, so that should be enough. Okay, for the month of April, I am seeing freedom. I am feeling wish fulfillment. I am seeing joy for you. I am seeing joy for you. So, look, these are emotional fulfillment, materialistic fulfillment, and not just that, you're setting yourself free from the burden of your emotions, and you're completing the cycle of overburdened emotions with the number 9. I'll take one more card. Exactly, I was talking about burden, and please take off the burden that is no longer serving you. Drop off what doesn't serve you anymore. You don't need to carry the burdens ahead. Just do that. So in April, I see that you will be moving ahead from your past. Look, I see you moving ahead from your past, and but please drop the baggage. The baggage you don't need to carry. You just drop it and leave it to God, leave it to universe, or whichever power you believe in. Leave it to them to decide for you. Just surrender. Surrendering is something that is very lightening. It will just lighten your heart like anything. I'll just pull out some messages from the universe. Okay, messages from the universe for 5, 2. Okay. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing. So yes, I feel like pile 2 or the people who chosen pink pen need a lot of healing. Even pink is about heart chakra. So heart chakra, maybe your heart chakra is blocked. Please open yourself up, and if it is wounded, please take care of yourself. And meditate and contemplate, of course. Connect with your source, connect with your soul, listen to your soul, and you will get your way out of every trouble that you're facing currently. My faith has the power to turn trauma into healing, conflict into growth, and fear into love. Exactly. So just do this, okay? You don't need to carry your fears ahead. Okay. I create mindful moments through the day, reminding myself that I am love and miracles are natural. So yes, for the people who have forgotten that miracles exist, yes, they do. You create them by believing in the universe and believing in yourself, being mindful. These are simple ways of creating miracles. I'll pull out one more card because I'm sensing very heavy energy from you. Please do some meditation and keep yourself grounded. I'm sensing very through prayer, and this is what I was telling. Through prayer and meditation, I create a ripple effect of peace in the world. Beautiful. I hope you understood what you needed to do, and stay good, pile 2. There's always more to life that we can see, and many times in life we forget and we are not able to see the bigger picture many times, why a certain thing happens to us. but what we need to do is do our part, do our karma, and leave the rest to God. So, and I'm getting this strong suggestion. If you can buy this tiger eye crystal, you can buy it, or if you don't want to buy it, there's nothing, no problem. You can just spend your time in nature, do some journaling, and please ground yourself, ground your energy, ground your emotions. And if you know Reiki, then Reiki healing or anything else, then you know how to ground. Otherwise also you can ground by taking a walk in nature. So thank you, Pile 2. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And for new videos, keep yourself updated. Maybe just click that notification bell, and please, your suggestions are most welcome. If you have any suggestion, you can suggest me. Thank you.